Hi, it's a windy day, very windy day. So it's a good day to try out a new pole I just got. I've got with me in this bag right here, these Nomad 23. That's a 7-meter long pole. Now I've got some other 7-meter long poles, and there's some antennas I built and put on them, but they're kind of long. They're like a meter long. This thing is nice and tight, baby, easy to carry. Plus, really strong and stout. You can tell. It's going to be interesting to see how this holds up in this wind right now, because it is windy, about 22, 23 mile an hour winds coming off the water here. I'm in Portsmouth City Park. There's an antenna I've built a couple times. It's called the 20.5 or 20 and a half foot vertical. Requires a 4-to-1, just like the Ribicoff, just like the 17.5 that are in my book. Funny thing is, that's the medium point in between that sweet spot for a random vertical. 20.5, that's in between 17.5 and 25 meters or 25 feet or 7.6 meters for the Ribicoff. 20.5 antenna. Built it a couple times, had some fun with it. Let's see how this antenna stands up as we put it together. I'll put it all together, show you how I did it. Stick around. Okay, it's windy. I mean, really windy. There it is. I love that red color. There it is, the Nomad 23 from DX Engineering. DX Engineering also makes the Nomad 19, which is the 6-meter version, very similar. Really easy. I mean, it felt great putting it up. That's a solid fiberglass pole there, the 23. Let me show you what I did. Underneath that, and it's not just magically sticking up out of the ground there, I have a piece of 1 1/4 inch PVC pipe. That comes out to be, about 32 millimeters anyway, PVC pipe, and I put it in the ground. Now, I do this all the time. I show this when I'm on the beach. I hammer the PVC pipe down into the sand. Well, it works as well here, as you can see on grass. Then I just take the bottom cap off of the antenna, screw it off, and then put it and just slide it right over. Just slide it right over it, and it stands right up. Now, this thing also comes with a really nice guying system as well. You can purchase the guy system and do it. Now, I've got some 22 gauge wire. What I did was measured it out for about an inch more. So 20 feet 7 inches is what I measured it out to. And then what I do, that's that extra inch, I take that extra inch there, take the tool, and then strip it off, strip that inch off, and put it on the unun. Let's go take a peek at it. I'll show you where it goes here. So I'm using the LDG 4-to-1 unun. I may have put it a little low, but it's up off the ground. We'll be okay. There it is, the LDG 4-to-1. I also, if you can see real close here, the wires, I have 4 counterpoise wires that I cut kind of out in at 90-degree angles, 17 feet each, 4 counterpoise wires, and they're where they are. Like I said, out in a perfect 90 degrees from each other. But there it is. Man, I love that red look. That's going to look so cool on the beach. My Nomad 23 with a 20.5 on it. Let's go take a look at the rig. Here you go. I'm using my Yaesu FT991. It's the first generation. You won't really be able to see the screen, so I'll probably just show me making some contacts. It tuned right up. I tried it out. It tuned up now. SWR on it, looking across the bands from 20 to 10, roughly right around in between 2 and 3, maybe a little over 3 in some spots, 3-to-1. But that's what this antenna is all about. It's not a resonant antenna. It's made to be tuned with a tuner, and there's the tuner there. Worldwide contest going on, 10 meters. 10 meters has not been too well the last few days. I want to make a 10-meter contact with this antenna. Let's see if we can do it. Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar, 59207.
You're 59003, number 3.
Thank you. Whiskey Zulu 8 Tango contest.
Contest, Papa Tango, 1 Mike, Papa Tango, 1 Mike contest.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar.
Kilo 4.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar.
Kilo 4, Alpha. Kilo 4, Alpha, Alpha, Golf, Oscar, 591-646.
Yeah, it's Kilo 4, Ocean, Germany Ocean, K4 OGO, you're 59, number 4, 004.
004. Alpha, Golf, Oscar, thank you, Papa Tango, 1 Mike contest.
Boy, the wind is blowing. Couple contacts on 10, worked well. It was funny, I looked at the function button on the bottom and looked at power. These were about 70 or 18 watts. I didn't even have the power all the way up. I've got it turned up to 100 watts now. Let's go to the 15 meter band. I think we might have a better hunting luck this time of day. It's afternoon here in the States, which 15 is like the Europe, and that direction's really good in the afternoon. So let's go to the 15 meter band and give it a try.
Thanks. Delta Foxtrot 7 Alpha.
Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar.
4 Kilowatt 4.
Kilowatt 4 Oscar Golf Oscar.
Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar. 591745 1745.
QSL 59008. Your number 8. Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar.
Oscar Golf Oscar again.
Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar. Your 59 number 11 011.
011, Roger.
Roger, Roger.
Okay, K4 Oscar Golf Oscar 1468. 1468, Roger.
Roger that. Thank you. 73.
Oscar Golf Oscar. Good evening, Walt. 591613. Keep up the videos.
Hey, thank you so much. Your 59 number 017.
Thanks for 017. Enjoy the prawns.
73.
CQ contact, Echo India 7 Mike, VI7M. Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar, right?
QSL, you are 59 number 021. 21.
021, you are 591119.
Roger. Thank you. 73.
Good luck, Ocean Mike 5 Radio.
That was an easy run through 15 meters. Wow, this antenna is a fun antenna. I don't know why. I used it even before I did the sketches for the book, and I don't think I've ever sketched this, or maybe I have and just kind of rough. But what a great antenna to use. This is a fun one. All right, 15 meters, just like I knew it would be. Europe all day long, and I was banging into there. So let's go up and see the 20 meter band. Let's check that out. Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar. You are 59029. Dzień dobry, you are 59 number 035.
035?
Yes.
035, thank you.
73. There you go. 40 contacts, 3 bands. That was awesome. I'm going to go try the WARC bands now. We'll start with 17. Let's see if I can tune up 17 and get on the 17 meter band. Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar.
Kilo 4 again.
Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar.
Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar. Please copy Whiskey 5 Bravo Alpha Mike. You are 559 in Mike Sugar and Park US 2539. QSL?
QSL, you're 59 as well. I'm in a park, but it's not a polo park. I'm in Virginia. Victor Alpha there. 59 back to you there.
Roger that. Send off to the second round. Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar 59 US 2539.
QSL, and as I said, you're 59 as well here into Virginia, my friend. You guys have a great day. Thanks for the activation.
Thank you. We're already at 147, so we should hit 150 before it's time to go.
Roger that. I'm out portable. I hit 40 on the contest just to have some fun on different bands, and then I figured I'd come over here and do a little photo hunting. Thanks for the contact there, my friend. 73.
73. Sure is it?
Nothing heard. CQ 12 meters, CQ 12 meters. This is Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar calling CQ. Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar calling CQ on 12 meters and standing by. Hello, CQ 6 meters, CQ 6 meters. This is Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar calling CQ on 6 and listening for any calls. That was fun. I tell you what. And I'd have stayed out a lot longer. I was out there about an hour and 15 minutes, hour and 20 minutes, but it's cold. It's 48 degrees Fahrenheit, which is it's chilly, and especially with the wind. The wind is really blowing off of the river there. What I'm doing, I'm parked right here where I just operated from. I'm looking out. That is what's called the western branch of the Elizabeth River that goes straight to where I live at, into the harbor of Portsmouth and Norfolk, and then you can go out into the Chesapeake Bay from there and out to the Atlantic. So fun. This park here is our local city park. Fun time. It really was. I wish it was like this was summertime. I'd have stayed 2 or 3 hours and just kept banging DX. That's a lot of fun. But I figured I'd get about 30 or 40. I got to 40 contacts, and I mean, really cool ones. And then the WARC bands jumped over to 17 and made a POTA contact. 12 tuned up beautiful on 12, just nobody there, called CQ. And then even it tuned up on 6 meters. Obviously nothing on 6. I went to 40, it wouldn't tune. The Yaesu FT991 would not tune it for 40, so it must be astronomical as far as SWR or whatever is on that. So definitely not a 40 meter antenna, but fun antenna. 20 and a half feet long piece of wire is all it is. I don't know why I haven't played with this one more. I will in the future. I've got something coming that I'll definitely build this again. But yeah, 20 and a half feet. It's kind of like, I think on one of my videos, I even kind of said, is this better than the Ribicoff? I forgot how freaking great the antenna performed in the other 2 times DX wise. And those were, I think, non-contest weekends. They were in Rhode Island both times I built it. But I tell you what, I really liked. I mean, look at that thing. This is it's light too, and so compact, easy. It fits in a bucket, man. I can carry it in the bucket. But DX Engineering, the Nomad 23. I'll definitely. This is great for man. There's so many antennas. I mean, in my book, the vertical section of my book, Salty Walt's Portable Antenna Sketchbook. This thing will build almost every antenna in there except maybe the halfway vertical for 20 meters, and the maybe not the Ribicoff. That's 20. That's about 2 more feet. You could probably get an extra piece and tape on the top, but man, it's nice and easy. I want this and got this just to take on the beach with me. And today with the wind blowing and it's cold, it's probably not a beach day, so I brought it out here to play with. And it's wonderful. I'll tell you what, I am affiliated now. I have a DX Engineering affiliate. So if you want one of these and you buy it, I'll put a link below. Please purchase it from my link because then I get credit for it. And DX Engineering supports the channel and this with other stuff as well. And we can and play with other things. So I love DX Engineering, man. I buy a lot of stuff from them, and the fact that that I am now a DX Engineering affiliate, and I love this thing. I tell you what, I want a 19 now. I might go get this same antenna in 19, so I'll have one of each. Because with the 19, anything for 20 meters, 20 meter quarter wave and on up, you can build with that. But just a fun antenna, fun day. I tell you what I like too. I think the red is sexy, man. All my other antenna poles are like military green and black. The red is that's a good looking red antenna there. There you go. So fun day. Thanks for coming along with me as we played around with this. Like I said, if you're interested in this, I'll put links to this. They sell everything. The 4-to-1 from LDG, they have that. I'll link that in there and anything else I could think of. And see how it goes there for sure. But anyway, thanks for coming along. I had a blast. It's like the first week of spring. We're having these days where it's 80 one day, and then the next day it's 50 or in the 40s. So the fronts are coming through. That's going to go away, and I'm going to get out on the beach a lot more and operate portable as well. So if you're into that, please like and subscribe. And until next time, I'm Salty Walt, K4OGO. Stay salty, my friends.